Hey kids, do you know why do we yawn? Why do we copy it when we see someone yawning? A yawn is a big deep breath. You can't stop. It often happens when your brain feels tired. Yawning may help wake your brain up. But you can also yawn when you're bored or relaxed. Now here's the funny part. Yawns can spread. Your brain copies others. It's called contagious yawning. It may help us connect and understand each other. Even animals yawn too. Even reading the word yawn, or thinking about one is enough to trigger the reflex for about 50% of people. Yawning helps your brain and can spread to others. Did you yawn watching this? Tell me how many times.